Welcome to a special episode where I go for a ride along in the new 2020 Supra with Herwig, a professional development driver for Toyota in Europe, and he puts on quite a clinic, so enjoy the ride.
Herwig Danes from Toyota Motor Europe.
Yes, and I'm Peter from Speed Academy.
Okay.
So we are in for a very special treat. You're going to give us a ride along.
I will give you a few laps on the new Supra.
Well, fantastic. Yeah, that torque really helps it push through. Wow. So much sideways. Predictable.
Yeah.
It's hard to imagine that this is a stock car. It does not roll a lot, especially when you get sideways like that. Holy smokes.
That was my mistake.
Yeah, that's okay. Little push there. Holy smokes. It's kind of amazing. Yeah, wow. Beautiful. Oh, right on the ragged edge. I love it. 15 mile an hour. This thing is moving. Yeah, I can feel the ABS working a little bit there. To slide the back end around. I'm very impressed. Very gradual. Oh yeah, wow. Smooth, holy smokes. Perfectly. Nice gradual slide. Wow. Such a low speed drift there, and you can still handle it. It's impressive. The throttle modulation. So good.
For the audience.
What's that? Yeah. One hand, exactly. It's that easy to drive, right? Yeah, wow. Such great car control. Holy smokes. I love it.
Okay, I'm so cool down.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's really impressive.
Did you like it?
Yeah, no, it's great. It's amazing how well it transitions into the slides. It doesn't have like that very jerky and it's a short wheelbase, you'd think it want to snap.
No, it's not at all. It's quite progressive near the limit, and that was also a development aim to, of course, give it a neutral balance, but just to make sure that it stays predictable and progressive at the limit and over the limit.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Because there's we wanted to have the driver to gradually experience the limit, even overstepping it, and then feeling that he has sufficient information, so that would provide him the confidence to try more. Because if you have a vehicle that snaps off near the limit, I think many drivers, they will just say, okay, that
right,
was it, and
it bites them and they don't want to try again.
I'll never go there again. That's,
Well, phenomenal. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that lap as much as I did. It was phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching, and we will be back very soon.